The project area comprises of about 25,000 customers, and these customers are from various groups. All types of customers are there. That is the HT consumers, the industrial consumers, the residential consumers, the agricultural consumers, and all other types of consumers as well. So this is being implemented in a city called Mysore, which is the southern part of India, and this city has a total consumer base of 250,000. So 10% of the population, 10% of the consumers of the utility have been selected for implementing the smart grid project. This is the first smart grid pilot project in India, and the utility, along with our company, Enzen Global Solutions, have jointly participated in this. And in this project, the investment also is being done partly by us. The government of India is investing about 50% of the project cost, and the utility is investing about 25%, and we are investing about 25%. So total cost of the project is about $5 million, and $1.3 million from us and $1.3 million from the utility, and the balance is coming from the government of India, the federal government. So we have various functionalities to be implemented. The various activities have started now. We have done the complete site activities and site survey. And right now we have finished the proof of concept, implementing some sample devices in the field. And on top of that, we have complete designs approved. We have made a entire design of the complete smart grid solution, including the hardware and the software. And these have been approved by the consultant. The consultant is a Government of India consultant, and he is called Power Grid Corporation of India, PGCIL. They are the consultants. They have vetted our design and approved it. Now we are going ahead with various partners for implementing the various applications. The primary application here is the smart meters, the AMI, advanced metering information. And then we have the distribution automation and the outreach management system, the second major application. The third major application is the demand response, the demand side management. The demand side management comprises of about 500 high value consumers who are consuming about 20 megawatts in total. So at any point of a time, if I want a relief of, let us say, 5 megawatts, we can have a cluster of these consumers, and these consumers will be voluntarily requested to participate in this program, and we are preparing a portal for this. A complete application for monitoring these loads reliably is also being done. Next major application that we have is the peak load management, and also we have the transformer monitoring unit. We have about 500 numbers transformer units, and these transformers are being monitored in real time for the health, the oil temperature, the winding temperature, and the load parameters, so that if it goes beyond a critical level, we will be able to generate alerts, and these alerts will be integrated with the analytics, and thereby we will be able to predict the failure of things, so we can take a preventive action in terms of getting things right, or even including the balancing of the transformers. And then we have a complete analytics solution built on. This analytics will also give the portals for the consumer, and a consumer can watch his consumption in the portal. He can log on with his password, and he can see how much he has consumed the previous day, the previous month, and the previous, and so on. And thereby he can take a informed decision in terms of reducing his load. Then as well as then industries who participate in the demand response, they will be given a discount, or they will be given incentives for participation. There are agricultural consumers. These agricultural consumers are having pump sets, irrigation pump sets. And these irrigation pump sets, we will be monitoring their consumption and giving it information to the consumers, so that they know how much energy is being consumed, and along with that how much water is being consumed as well. So this gives them an indication of how much energy and the water is consumed, so they can take action to reduce. One important aspect here is we are also integrating with the renewables. So each the houses that have a rooftop solar system, they can be connected to the main grid through a net metering feature, which is given in the smart grid. So they will be able to pump back energy into the utility system through their net metering, from their solar power supply to the to the grid and thereby make it. So overall, the project cost has been about, as I said, about $5 million, and this is for 10% of the population of Mysore city, which is expected to be based on the performance of this system. The utility will extend it for the balance area in this country. And being the first one, we have a challenge of putting up all these things together. And Enzen Global Solutions in Bangalore is fully geared up along with the customer CESC to implement this project.